Meet Emily, James, Ethan, and Max. They are a delightful family, but they have one problem. Their air conditioner is not so delightful. In the summer months, when it is hot and humid outside, it takes 15 minutes for the AC to cool the room. In only another 15 minutes, the AC makes things way too cold, and James is forced to find other ways to stay comfortable. This frustration continues throughout the day and into the night. As outdoor temperatures fall, conditions indoors also get cooler, which is just fine with James and Max, who like cooler temperatures, but not so great for Emily. Not to mention that sometimes finding the remote itself is a problem. Until one day, Emily finds out about Ambi Climate, the delightfully simple way to optimize your AC. Just plug it in and it will deal with your AC for you. Ambi Climate learns about your home and your changing environment. Using data from your home as well as from your local weather station, Ambi Climate predicts the impact of different AC settings and also learns about what feels comfortable to you. Forget about your old remote. With the Ambi Climate app, you can control and monitor your AC on your smartphone. Through the app, you also gain insight on your usage habits and patterns. Use this knowledge to take control of your carbon footprint. Learn how much your habits are costing you and receive tailored suggestions on how to save energy and money. Let Ambi Climate help you attain optimal indoor comfort so that you can focus on enjoying the more delightful things in life.
The cold summer has passed and a long hot summer is coming. It's already too hot to sleep. Every night before I go to bed, the wife and I argue whether to turn the air conditioning on or off.
What are you doing? The electric bill of this month was $100.
So I looked around at a lot of products, especially ones that were cheap, less power consuming, and that actually did their jobs. Fans, mini ACs, etc. Nothing really seemed to fit. Then I came across this amazing product that instantly caught my eye. This little guy right here. Amazing air conditioner. It's a really simple product. First, you take the ice out from your freezer. Take the unit apart. Place it in the unit. Lock it, and you're done. Simple, isn't it? Ah, you can also use it as an air purifier. Now let's try and turn this thing on. This is a really light and eco-friendly product. It has a tubular shape and it can be placed anywhere you like. Well, I'm gonna go spend a cool and a hot night with my wife. See ya! Here I come, baby!
Do you ever feel like you just can't escape the heat? Well, now you can, wherever you go. Say hello to the Zero Breeze, the world's coolest portable air conditioner. Hi, I'm Duncan. I'm here today to tell you about Zero Breeze. Zero Breeze is the first of its kind. Never before have you been able to take an air conditioner wherever you go. It's lightweight, whisper quiet, and loaded with cool features. Not only is it the best portable air conditioner you can buy, it's a Bluetooth speaker, a night light, and a cell phone charging station. Our team has been developing this product over the past 2 years, and it is the first portable air conditioner to use a rotary compressor. The Zero Breeze is capable of cooling a 50 square foot room down to 44 degrees, which is perfect for an RV, a college dorm, a tent, or pretty much anywhere. You can use it by plugging it in, or by using its long-lasting battery power, and the battery only takes 3 to 5 hours to fully charge. It has 3 fan speeds and cool settings. The Zero Breeze is super light, weighing in at only 14 pounds. If using the Zero Breeze inside, simply attach the hose and extend the other end outside. The warm LED light provides the perfect amount of light for camping or other outdoor activities. To use the Bluetooth speaker, simply lift the front panel and connect to your phone. You control your volume. You go. So many situations in my life have been made more enjoyable thanks to Zero Breeze. So, how will Zero Breeze help you stay cool? We are so excited for you, the Kickstarter community, to be the first to have this product. You can check out our rewards, and thank you for supporting Zero Breeze. Once again, we can't thank you enough for your support. Never worry about the heat again, and stay cool wherever you go with Zero Breeze, the world's coolest portable air conditioner.
This is Nuria, the first window air conditioner designed with you in mind. Nuria is 40% smaller than standard air conditioners and less than 6 inches tall. Unlike typical window air conditioners, Nuria lets you keep your view. Nuria is smart. Using Android or iOS, users can control Nuria remotely or set a schedule to save power when no one is home. Nuria can bring fresh air into your home on those cool September nights. Not even central air can do that. You don't have to be a bodybuilder to install Nuria. The lightweight frame is installed first, making secure installation a breeze. Other window air conditioners force you to hold a heavy, awkward object in place for minutes at a time. With Nuria, installation is a one-person job. Storage is easy, allowing you to keep it under the bed when not needed. Nuria, renew your view.
Nowadays, there is something wrong with the market of climate equipment. On the one hand, there are plenty of absolutely inefficient small devices that don't prevent suffering from heat. On the other hand, there are overpriced bulky solutions that consume tons of energy. They require complicated maintenance and, to be honest, not always provide you with desired level of comfort. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a device that combines portability of desktop gadget with efficiency of modern technology. Meet next generation of EvoPolar, smart personal air conditioner. This multifunctional device cools, humidifies and purifies the air, creating a perfect microclimate around yourself.
EvoPolar is easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Fill the water tank, adjust the fan speed, enjoy it. EvoPolar works on power of water evaporation. It literally creates this natural refreshing breeze one can feel at the sea coast. Unlike fans that dry your hair and skin, EvoPolar produces moist air, taking care of your health and beauty.
Everybody has their own temperature of comfort and optimal humidity level. This is definitely not something that central air conditioning systems respect. Also, cooling effect spreads unevenly, and those who are close to an air conditioner always feel too hot, and others always feel too cold. During the summer season, poorly air-conditioned spaces become unbearable, and regular heat waves make it much worse. Even best climate systems often can't cope, and you need some extra cooling power. EvoPolar makes you feel comfortable in any conditions, improving your productivity and helping you to achieve more.
The core technology behind EvoPolar is EvoBreeze, a specially developed evaporative metamaterial based on mineral nanofibers. This allows EvoPolar to be both compact and powerful. Unlike traditional materials, EverBreeze doesn't contain any organic elements. This prevents bacteria and mold spread. Moreover, there is no freon or any other toxic coolant. This makes EverPolar technology absolutely safe to use and eco-friendly. Thank you.
EverPolar is a truly smart device. It consumes less energy than a light-saving bulb, significantly reducing your bills. With a variety of tools for automation, smart home integrations, and application control, EverPolar will easily become a natural part of your office or home ecosystem.